Okay, so if you were to add in separate guests, just use my mom as an example. I'll add some products to her cart. Okay, so let's just say I add a bunch of these in, make sure I get my host base up. Okay, I'll add one more guest so you can see. So you would just add in a guest here, create new customer, save and add products. You don't have to add in all their separate address and everything. It won't matter for this, but let's say I just do another diffuser, add that in, and then when I go to close out, so you would just continue to add guests and add in their stuff. Click checkout. Oh, hang on. So